As you know, aviation is a very fast-paced, evolutionary, global industry.
We are so thrilled to be part of this partnership. It is huge for us.
This area is primed to completely explode and grow. But one of the things that's really missing is the ability to have the workforce development, the people, the talent to feed all these industries so that we can attract even bigger companies in aerospace and advanced manufacturing to this area. That's the kind of thing that providing those good jobs for the people of Northwest Florida and Florida in general are going to be important, and that is key to our partnership. That feels great. I mean, every time we have these audacious ideas, people believe and buy into the vision, and then we get the resources to do it. It's huge for us.